Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the dead hard disk drive of this HP laptop into a solid state drive or SSD, which is much faster. Okay, so let's do it. Let's try to bring out, open it, and I will use my prying tool to open it on this side. Okay, in here I'm not going to remove the keyboard connection and the other connectors. I'll just put it in here like that. Okay, the battery connection has been removed. Now let's remove this old hard disk drive that's no longer working. Now then just pull up this hard drive caddy, this one, pull it up slowly. And then pull out this connection of the hard drive. Okay, so this is the malfunctioning hard drive. It has a SATA connection. So this time I am going to put in my old hard drive. It's only 120 gig, just to see if it's still working. Let's put in this hard drive holder. To make this connection firm. Okay, now let's reconnect the hard disk drive. Let's lock it in. Now let's reconnect the battery. Okay. Now before putting in all the screws, let's just try to power it on. if there would be no problem. Let's hope it works. Okay, it's booting up. By the way, the hard drive that I installed is only 128 gig SSD. So it's going to get familiarized with the onboard hardware of this HP laptop. Okay, you can see it's now booting. I hope you liked the video, and please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you would get notified on my next video upload. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.